Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Rachel and this is my channel. Actually, this is my morning routine, fall edition. So the first thing that I do in the morning, which by the way is around 5 a.m. every single day because I like getting up early. I know, I'm crazy, but it's true. First thing I do is I will put on my glasses because I'm legally blind, and then I will sip down a bunch of water because your body's really dehydrated in the morning and you have to, hydrate yourself. And then obviously I slip on my socks because it's been getting really cold here in Minnesota. I know I'm wearing shorts in this video, but it's still been just so cold. And then I will make my bed because if I don't, I'll just crawl back into it and then go back to bed and then not be productive. Also, I don't have a lot of fall decor for my bed, but I have this little bear with a pumpkin, so it's fine. I will grab my coffee mug then and head downstairs to make coffee. Are we surprised? No. This is one of my morning rituals. I have to do this in the morning. It's basically what gets me out of bed in the morning, actually. I love making my coffee in the morning. It's kind of therapeutic for me. Is that weird? I don't know if that's weird, but it's true. So I will just make my coffee with my French press, as you can see, and I was trying to be artsy with filming all these clips. I hope you enjoy. I put a lot of effort into this video. Also, on this particular day, I was trying to be extra festive. So I used this pumpkin butter from Trader Joe's, and I put that in my coffee, along with my regular creamer. I'll link it down below in case you guys are curious. And it tasted so good. Also, in the fall time here, or just recently really, I've been eating these, I guess you could call them apple cinnamon oats. So I love eating oatmeal in the fall and winter time. It's my favorite breakfast. Oh my gosh. But I've been adding apples in because it's so good and festive. Also, that's protein powder, in case you're wondering. Vanilla protein powder from Trader Joe's. I'm really bad at voiceovers, oh my gosh. Anyway, so I put the cut up apples in there, and then I put cinnamon on top. You guys get it. I did a terrible job explaining it, but it's really good, and I've been having it like every day, all the time. It's my go-to. Along with my morning coffee, I also have this thing where I have to read in the morning. I don't know why. Those are like my two non-negotiables for myself. I love doing it. It's a really good way for me to ease into the day. Typically, I'll read motivational books as well, so it's really inspiring for me. It's just a good way to start my day. And also, since it's fall time, I had to light some candles, especially in this video, but also I've just been doing that recently because I've been trying to be super festive, if you couldn't tell already. I have so many candles, just saying. Like, I don't know if you guys watched my decorating for fall video, but half of my decor was candles, so yeah. Normally I'm like really good with sticking with the same book until the end, but I have to admit that when I filmed this video, I was reading this book called Who's Got Your Back by Keith Ferrazzi. I might have butchered his name, but you get it. It's about like developing relationships with like people you can depend on, family, friends, romantic, whatever. But anyway, so I've been reading that lately, but recently I actually switched back to You Are a Badass at Making Money by Jen Sincero. I just really wanted to revisit that book. But anyway, I always read in the morning, and yes, I write in my books. I'm sorry if that offends you. But I also do gratitude journaling and scripting. I love doing this in the morning. So I will always start out by writing, I am grateful for. I find that this is a really good way to start my mornings. It just grounds me right away, puts things into perspective, and then I will make a list of things I'm grateful for, and then I will also do scripting, which if you're not sure what that is, it's basically just writing out your future as if you're living it. It's a form of manifestation. I plan on making a video on it in the future. Anyway, once I'm done with my reading and my journaling, then I'll usually watch YouTube. Right now, I've been binging Kaylin Nicholson's YouTuber videos. I love her, and I love YouTuber. Like, it's my favorite thing in the world. But once I'm done eating my breakfast, I will get changed into my workout clothes. Recently, I actually canceled my gym membership. I don't go to the gym anymore. I've been going for runs outside. I'll do other types of workouts like yoga, etc. You get it. But actually, recently, I decided I'm training for a 5K. Yes, I just woke up one morning and I'm like, I'm gonna run a 5K. Don't judge me, but I have been going for runs and I've been trying to work up to a point where I'll run a 5K. It'll be in the future sometime, but you get it. Also, I've been loving Taylor Swift's new music, the Lover album, and it's been getting me through my runs, just saying. So I'll do my stretches, you get it. I'm not very flexible, as you can see. And then I'll go for my run, which I didn't film a lot because I don't know, I didn't want to. But once I'm done with my runs, I always hang out with my cats. This is my favorite cat. His name is Tinker. He's so cute. I didn't name him, my sister did, but love him. Then I typically will go in the shower, which obviously I didn't film that. And then I will get changed into my clothes for the day. I filmed this on a Sunday, so I was wearing pretty comfy clothes. When I'm leaving the house, I'll typically dress up a little bit more, but on this day I didn't really need to. Lately, I've been trying to pick up the habit of meditating every single morning. There's this one on YouTube specifically for the law of attraction. I will leave it linked down below if you guys are interested. I've been doing it for like the past week or so, most days, and some pretty wonky stuff has been happening, like in a good way, but I've just been getting more spiritually connected, you know? Anyway, so I've been doing my meditation every single morning. It really helps me clear my head. And then I will go back to my desk, typically open Google Calendar, and start my day. So that's what my mornings have been looking like recently here in the fall time. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys!
Through the jungle, I've been running the wolves to get to you, to get to you. Up and down the darkest alley, so dark side of the moon to get to you, to get to you. I look for love in every stranger, took too much to you.